everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode of tutorial videos, I will be showing you how to check your Yahoo login history. Doing so, you will be able to monitor your recent login activities so that you can keep your account safe. To learn doing so, keep watching the video till the end. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more upcoming updates. First, go to your Yahoo account and log in with a valid email ID and password. After you are logged in, click on your profile icon, find account info below your Yahoo ID and click it open. It will take you to your account information page. Click on recent activity from the left side menu. You will be able to see your recent activity page listing your recent login activities, your browser name and session records for the past 30 days will be seen. Go through all the activities, and if you see anything suspicious, click on the activity and a pop-up will appear showing you your sign-in details from that device for the past 30 days. You can change your password in case anything suspicious by clicking on change your password. That way, you can save your account from potential hacks. I hope you learned how to track your recent activities on your Yahoo account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have any comments. I'll be back again soon. Thank you for watching.